Yellow teeth are a common dental concern that can be caused by a variety of factors. It is one of the main reasons why many people are so conscious about themselves. One of the most common reasons is poor oral hygiene, which can lead to the buildup of plaque and tartar on the teeth. This can cause the teeth to become discolored and yellow over time. Other factors that can cause yellow teeth include consuming certain foods and drinks, such as coffee, tea, and red wine. Smoking or using tobacco products. Aging, genetics, and certain medications. Additionally, some medical conditions and treatments, such as radiation therapy, can also cause yellow teeth. Maintaining good oral hygiene, avoiding certain foods and beverages, and quitting smoking are some of the ways to prevent or reduce yellow teeth. But if you are still looking for more ways to whiten your teeth, I have compiled 10 things you can do to whiten your teeth at home. 1. Brushing with baking soda works to whiten teeth by removing surface stains through its abrasive properties. Baking soda has a low abrasive index, meaning it's less likely to cause damage to the tooth enamel compared to other more abrasive substances. Its alkaline properties also help neutralize acids in the mouth that can contribute to tooth discoloration. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste, and brush your teeth for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. This can be done once or twice a week. 2. Coconut oil and baking soda. Mix a small amount of coconut oil with baking soda to form a paste, and brush your teeth for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which can help reduce inflammation and prevent gum disease. 3. Hydrogen peroxide works as a whitening agent by breaking down stains into smaller pieces, making them less visible. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help kill bacteria in the mouth, which can contribute to tooth discoloration. Mix a small amount of hydrogen peroxide with water, swish it in your mouth for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. 4. Activated charcoal works by binding to surface stains on the teeth and removing them when rinsed away. It is a highly absorbent substance that can help balance the pH in the mouth and reduce bacteria that can contribute to tooth discoloration. Mix a small amount of activated charcoal with water to form a paste, and brush your teeth for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. This can be done once or twice a week. 5. Strawberries contain malic acid, which can help remove surface stains on the teeth. However, they should be used sparingly, as their high sugar content can contribute to tooth decay. Mash a few strawberries into a paste, and apply it to your teeth for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. 6. Specialized whitening toothpaste works by using abrasive particles to remove surface stains on the teeth. Some also contain bleaching agents, such as hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide, that can help whiten teeth over time. 7. Certain foods and beverages, such as coffee, tea, red wine, and dark-colored berries, can cause staining on the teeth. Limiting your consumption of these items can help prevent yellowing. 9. Apple cider vinegar is a natural and effective remedy for teeth whitening due to the presence of acetic acid, which has bleaching properties. Acetic acid breaks down the stains on the teeth, leaving them looking brighter and whiter. It is recommended to mix a small amount of apple cider vinegar with water and use it as a mouthwash, swishing it around for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinsing with water. 10. Banana peel contains minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and manganese that can help remove surface stains on the teeth. Rubbing the inside of a banana peel on your teeth for 2 minutes and then rinsing thoroughly with water can help whiten teeth naturally. The mild abrasive texture of the banana peel also helps to remove plaque and surface stains on the teeth. 10. Orange peel contains vitamin C and limonene, which have natural teeth whitening properties. Rubbing the inside of an orange peel on your teeth for 2 minutes can help remove surface stains and leave your teeth looking brighter and whiter. In conclusion, there are several effective remedies and habits that can help whiten teeth at home. These range from brushing with baking soda or using hydrogen peroxide to consuming crunchy fruits and vegetables, limiting stain-causing foods and beverages. It's important to use these remedies in moderation and to maintain good oral hygiene habits to prevent further discoloration of teeth. Ultimately, by incorporating these tips into a daily routine, individuals can achieve a brighter and healthier smile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.